Hi guys, I'm Anna and I think I'm back on YouTube. Today is February 13 and it means Happy Valentine's Day! So I want to show you my interpretation of Cupidon. As a base I used Monster High Create Monster doll. If you're interested, keep looking.
This doll isn't brand new, and I think the previous owner tried to make a face-up without sealant. Ew. So let's remove the factory paint and the dust. I used gel polish remover and cotton balls. I can't clean these red areas and some black dots. They are already in resin. So I will cover it with blushing. Before painting, I applied matte sealant. At the left corner you can see layers counter. On the first layer I make blushing. I use soft dry pastel and small brushes. To highlight corners of the lips, I use brown watercolor pencil. Then I sketch eye shape. If I don't like some lines, I just erase it. The first layer is the sketch layer, so I don't use vibrant colors. And eye shape I sketch with some shadows of brown. And this pink pencil, it's not a pencil, it's a razor from Faber-Castell. You can sharpen it with a knife or with your regular sharper. When I'm done with eye shape, I paint centuryfold. And use white Derwent pastel pencil to cover the sclera. I give some highlight to the eyes and lips. Oops, I forgot about cheeks. Here is soft pastel too. But if I put it too much, I use melamine sponge. Derwent ink pencils are much more saturated than the watercolors, so I use black one to paint the eyelashes. I repeat white sclera with pastel pencil and add some details in blushing and in the eyes. It's time to draw the iris. Outline I paint with magenta watercolor pencil. And then I fill the color with pastel. Raw makeup is done, and now it's time to details. I outline the iris one more time, add some shadows, and add some magic of sprinkles and shimmer. When I cover the face with matte sealant, shine wouldn't be so noticeable. Blushing didn't cover the black dot, so I paint the hearts. Add some eyelashes. Montage mode, and one pupil is done. Second one I paint with pastel. I decided to make some details and I use gouache paint and thin brush. It's 0/6. I prefer gouache paint instead of acrylic because if I make a mistake, then I easily fix it with water. So to paint the brows, I use the same brush and gouache paint. Face up is almost done. The final step is highlights in the eyes. Also, I decided to make white freckles. And the highlights is in heart shape. I paint just 2 small dots close enough and little heart is done. She's so cute, isn't it?
In the past year, I finally bought 3D printer, so her shoes and some accessories for her outfit I printed using PETG clear plastic. If you are interested in 3D models of shoes for Monster High dolls, leave me a comment here and I will create listings on my Etsy shop.
Tada! Her final look. I was inspired by Victoria's Secret angels, so she got gorgeous feather skirt and small transparent wings. She looks so sweet and gorgeous. I love her so much.
And if you want to buy this doll, you can check my Etsy shop and purchase it.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!